You think I'm your mommy? You trying to get food out of my mouth? I have some seeds and berries and oatmeal for you later. Come around this way. You want to go to sleep with Daddy? Your adopted daddy? You want to go to bed? We rescued them and they're going off to a farm sanctuary in a couple of days. I'm going to have to say goodbye to my babies, but it's best for them. Look up a factory farm video like meatvideo.com or Farm to Fridge on YouTube and meat.org. Birds and fish are the most abused lives on earth. Most people eat dozens of birds per year, nearly all from factory farms, eggs, and poultry. And fish, massive super trawler nets rape oceans. Watch Seaspiracy. Again, Seaspiracy. And simply leave animals alone and go vegan. Vegan is the future. And I am Birdman, vegan future. You want to say goodbye, guys? Let's get a couple close-ups.
Cuties.
Look at the camera.
Go.
You want to come down? Is that what you're saying? It's like, that's bright. I'm looking to go to bed soon. They'll fall asleep in your hand like a little cat or puppy when you pet them. I fall asleep in my little palm. Oop, turn around. The camera. There you go. Probably won't fall asleep because it's a little bright with the light, but they'll fall asleep in your palm. You ready for bed, little baby? You want to take a nap with me, little baby birds? Oops. Was he falling asleep? Or she?
It's too loud.
All right, we're gonna say goodnight, guys. Ooh. Look at those little wings. Let's say goodnight to them. I'll give you a little snack, some berries, some seeds, and bread, and oatmeal, and some veggies, and we'll go to bed. Bye, guys. We love you. We need two. Let's get two because we'll each hold our own. Hold them up. Okay, you want to come down, little buddy?
There you go, little flute.
We're going to get back now. Let's get a couple close-ups of the little babies. I know, the little light doesn't feel good in your face. We've been celebrity chicks.
Yeah.
Lemon
And Sunshine.
and Sunshine are the two littlest yellow ones. Help us name the other ones. Leave a comment with the names and please subscribe to help animals and share a factory farm video like meatvideo.com or meat.org. Share it often with your friends. Factory farms. Birdman, vegan future. Again, birds and fish are the most abused lives on Earth. 99% of eggs and chicken come from sick factory farms where they suffer from birth to death. And fish, those come from nasty sick fish farms or massive super trawler nets that rape oceans. Over 99% of all animals consumed are birds and fish. Most people don't even eat 1 cow a year or even half a pig. Birds and fish account for 99% of all animals consumed. You want to say goodnight, Birdie?
Good night, birdies.
Cluck, cluck, cluck you, Chick-fil-A. Tyson, Purdue, too. Liars, factory farmers. Your beautiful little eyes. You want to say goodbye to Lemon? Good night, Lemon. Good night, Sunshine. Oh, what's this one over here? Oh, that's a wind-up one.
Oh, I'm sorry, little Floofy.
They're like, who's this new guy in town? Leave a comment with what you think we should name the others before giving them to the sanctuary, since we rescued them. Again, Lemon and Sunshine are two of them. This one, Sunshine. You want to go to bed, guys? You telling me that?
Yeah.
Is that what you're telling me? So hard to put these away. You're so sweet.
They're so cute.
They're sweet.
How could you eat one?
Wings are for flying, not frying.
And cuddling. Yeah.
Vegan is the future. Now that you don't have any more stress, we can go to bed with our birds. Go to sleep, little baby.
Aw.
in bed with some birds. Stop it from rolling.
Here, I can hold it.
Let's see if they'll use it.
Oh. They are not litter trained.
Hold them closer to me. Up a little, up a little. Never mind. Hi. Hello. They're a little stressed still.
Yeah. You want to get back up there, sweet little thing?
Little thing. Quack, quack. That's a duck. Looks like you have like a big bird, turkey or something. I'm the bird caller. Birdman vegan future.
You like that, don't you?
Listen to them sing like the Bob Marley song, Three Little Birds. I believe Bob and Ziggy are vegan like the Beatles and many others. Look up a factory farm video, meatvideo.com, farm to fridge on YouTube.
You're okay.
Wings are for flying, not frying.
Let's not go on my phone. Oh, you flew.
I'm not a nugget.
That's you.
I'm suing. I bought this bucket of bird parts and I got a hair in my bucket of birds. And some birds. Sing, sing, sing. Don't be stressed.
We're here. We love you.
Everything is gonna be alright. You're with vegans. We don't eat or wear animals, little guys and girls. Hens and roosters. We don't know yet.
Soft little heads.
Vegan is the future. Meat.org. Look up a factory farm video. Meatvideo.com. Hi. Gotta get my head. Did he stay on my bill for a little bit?
Yes.
But
Hey, little bird. Yeah, there you go. Chicks love vegans. Look at them all.
oh, wanna come down? Come to daddy. I'm your adopted rescue daddy.
Oh, they're all trying to get away.
You wanna go on my shoulder? Ooh, ooh, you got it. Come on, let's
You're
take
all safe.
let's
He's vegan.
let's take a nap. You wanna take a nap with Birdman Vegan Future?
Aw.